Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to use Descript text-to-speech. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is go to Descript.com and you're first going to create an account. When you create an account, you will be able to directly download an installer for the Descript software into your computer. Now you need to download or install the software into your computer because this is the way you will be able to access the different features of Descript. You won't be able to use Descript through your browser, so you're going to have to install the application or the software of Descript directly to your computer. All you need to do is to click on sign up over here on the top right, and after signing up, you will be able to directly or automatically download the installer for the Descript software. After installing, this is what it is going to look like. Now this is similar to Google Drive if you're familiar with it. Over here on the left side, you will be able to see the different projects that you have done, as you can see here in the center as well. These are the recent projects. You can also see quick recordings over here, shared with me, downloaded, voices, templates, and private workspace over here. Now, for today's video, we will be focusing on how you can turn your text into speech. Now, there are two methods on using speech in Descript. The first method or the first feature is by using stock voices. The stock voices are pre-recorded voices that are available for you to use in Descript. It has multiple options and multiple types of voices that we will explore later on. And also, the second version or the second way on how you could use the text-to-speech is by using your own voice. There is this new feature in Descript called overdub voice, as you can see here, which can create ultra-realistic clone of your voice. Basically, you're simply going to set up your overdub voice by saying multiple things. For example, let's go to our voice over here, and you could create new voice over here. Click on confirm. And in this section, in the Jasper's overdub voice, it's called Jasper's because this is my character. You will be able to record your speech, as you can see here, upload or record at least 10 minutes, and they recommend 30 minutes actually to be able to get an accurate voice for you. And after following all of this instructions over here, you will be able to replicate your own voice and use it to any of your videos, and use it even to your text-to-speech projects. Now, going back here to the recent projects, I'm going to show you how you could do the text-to-speech feature. Now you're first going to create a new project, of course. Click on new project, and then over here, it's going to create our project just like that. And now we're simply going to name it text to speech. Just like that. And then you will have these options over here. You could either choose a file to transcribe, start recording, start writing, or start from a template. You're going to have to select the start from writing over here. And just like that, now, whatever you type here will be turned into text-to-speech. Now, I will be utilizing another AI that will produce us our text, and I will be using ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT provided us with an essay that shows the insignificance of humanity in the vast universe. I'm simply going to copy the introduction that ChatGPT has produced for us, and I'm going to go back to Descript over here. I'm simply going to paste our message over here, just like that. This is our information that our speaker or our text-to-speech will say, as you can see. And now after entering or whatever, or after typing the message that you would like the script to turn from text-to-speech, you're going to have to click on speaker over here. And over here, you can see that I have Jasper over here that we were able to set up earlier. This is, for example, my overdub voice. If ever we did complete the setup of the overdub feature earlier, I will be able to use my own voice like right now, and it will be able to flawlessly speak or talk with my voice and read the text that I have just inputted over here. Now over here, we have the stock voices. We have Don, Emily, Carla, Ruth, Malcolm, Ethan, Henry, Nancy, and Nicholas over here. These are the different voice options that I was talking about earlier, and you can simply hear the voice by clicking on the play button over here.
Life is like a camera.
And then you will be able to hear the sample voice of each character, and like you could choose after hearing the voices. For example, Henry,
Life is like a camera.
just like that. Now we're going to select Henry for now. Click on Henry. Now the voice that will tell this message that I have entered over here will be Henry. So I'm simply going to click on Control S, just like that. And we're going to click on
Into the depths of the night sky.
just like that. All you need to press is Control S so that you will be able to save the transcript, or rather the text, and it will automatically, as you can see here, it now has a message or like a voice for our message that we have just created. So let's play it. It might be going to sound funky on your side because the recording would be having an error with the music or the sound that Descript will produce and our recording. So let's simply play it so that you can see that it actually worked. We were able to convert our text into speech.
The universe, with its infinite expanse and unimaginable wonders, has the power to humble us like nothing else. As we gaze into the depths of the night sky, we are confronted with the stark reality of our...
And as you can see, that is a sample of our very short text over here that our speaker was able to easily reproduce or turn from text to speech. You won't be able to easily recognize that it is created by an AI because of the flawless way of speaking of the feature of Descript, and it is very good. It is very amazing, and you could use as long as, or you could use as many texts as you want, as long as you want. And although the length would vary and it would take longer to initialize and export the audio, but it will be able to create a transcript or create a text to speech no matter how long your text over here is. So you could do or create a script through different ways. You could use it for your videos in YouTube, in Facebook, in explaining anything you want, and you don't want to use your own voice. You could use it for your school projects, anything you want that you would like to have a voiceover on, and you could use the Descript to create a voiceover just for you. Now lastly, let's go and ask ChatGPT, create a simple essay, one paragraph about how AI can be beneficial to the modern world, and click on enter. And let's see, we're going to use whatever ChatGPT produce us and make the script produce our output over here. So what I can do now is I could delete this just like that. Now we have no more text to speech information over here. Now what we can do is we're going to copy this, go back to Descript, paste it over here, and Control for S. And we're going to wait for a few seconds. We're going to go to our start over here, Control S. And while waiting for this, we're simply going to select our speaker. We're going to go with Henry once again. Also, you could also choose from different formal voices over here. It's free for you to explore and like check out. And for now, we're going to go with the normal Henry voice. And we're going to wait for our item over here to be fully exported, like so that it will be able to finish analyzing our text over here so that it can turn it into text to speech. And there we go. It's now converted to text to speech. Now let's simply play it once again.
Artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force, offering a myriad of benefits to the modern world. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, AI has the potential to revolutionize
And there we go. And that's how you could use Descript to turn your text into speech. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.